How you doing, lads? Welcome back to Alan's Kitchen. Today we're going to do la zi. That's how you say it in Chinese. La zi translates to chili and ji translates to chicken. So it's going to be a stir-fried chili chicken recipe. What do we need? We need some chilies and some capsicum, 1 onion, a lot of garlic, spring onions, 1 egg, salt, corn flour, so that's starch, some chicken thighs, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, some dried red chilies, and Sichuan peppercorns. Let's do this. So we're going to marinate our chicken thighs now. First step, add in your egg, but only the white. Add some Chinese cooking wine. Add some soy sauce. Add some salt. Grab some chopsticks and mix it around. Now it's mixed together, just add in 2 spoonfuls of starch and give it a bit more of a mix. So we just got some sunflower oil, you could use any oil you want, and we're going to shallow fry the chicken first. So make sure it's spread around the pan. Guys, so our chicken, it's all fried, ready. So we're going to turn the heat off, and here is where we're going to drain the oil. I'm going to just make a quick sauce. This bowl has a little bit of water in it. Going to add some soy sauce into it, Chinese cooking wine, salt, starch, some sugar. This will be the sauce that goes in when the stir fry is done. So now the stir fry begins. We've got a little bit of oil. Gonna go in with our dried red chilies and Sichuan peppercorns first. Toast them a little bit in the oil. Now we've just extracted that flavor out. You can smell the chilies. Gonna go in with some garlic. Go in with the onions. Gonna add our chicken back in. We're gonna add our capsicums and chili in as well. Some beautiful color there. We're gonna add in that sauce we made just before. Give it a slight mix. Going with your spring onions. Give it a final toss. And good to go. Guys, this is the final piece. You guys know Salt Bae? Well, when you do Chinese cooking, they call me Sesame Bae. Because it makes any dish look better. Sesame Bae, add it again. Guys, taste test. Get a little bit of rice, get some chicken, get some chili. That's the one, that's what I'm talking about. Very good, very nice. I love this recipe. Goes well with rice. Any side dishes. You can add salt and pepper to taste. This isn't the super chili version. We don't like too much chili in this house, but there are a few other versions. You can make it hotter depending on what you like. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Boom shakalaka.